In this video, I'm taking a look at a solar bird feeder. So we're taking a look at a solar bird feeder. This is the box that it comes in. It gives you a little bit of information about it. Picture. Included with this is the option to mount via this metal bracket. They have some anchors and screws. You have a user manual, and you have a little scoop, which is going to make it easier to fill it with bird seed. The actual unit itself is a plastic that's colored that gives you sort of a stained glass kind of a look. It requires a tiny bit of assembly, so you basically have to put this metal into the plastic. There's just two holes that it slides into, so it's no problem. And then your mounting locations on the bottom if you decide to use the metal bracket. So it's very simple. There's 56 drain holes around this, so water should drain out of it. There's a small opening right there that allows the actual birds to feed, and they can just perch, on the little metal rod. And there are little cutouts here that the top slides into. So the only other assembly is the attachment of these three hooks. The solar panel is on the top. On the bottom, you have 6 LEDs, and power switch is right there. You press and hold for about 3 seconds to turn it on or off. Once it's fully charged, it should run for about a week, depending upon how sunny and cloudy it is. But obviously, since it's solar powered, it's waterproof. So if I'm press and hold this, you see the LEDs are now on, and you can push the button to select the color you like the best. So my personal favorite is this option, which allows it to just fade in and out, and it switches each time to a different color. Alright, let me turn some lights off, and let me show you what it looks like when it's dark. Okay, so now you can see some of the color changing when it's kind of dark. It looks really cool and kind of fades in and out, kind of sweeps over. So I think that'll be a nice addition for anyone looking to feed some birds. So what I'm going to do now, borrow some bird seed from my parents, go ahead and put it outside, and hopefully the birds will enjoy it.